The Unit Build Options interface area of your hub is activated when you select your Commander suit, any engineer, a factory, or an upgradable building or unit. It has two major visual interface areas, showing you your build options on top and any build queue at the bottom. First, let's examine how to order units from a Tech 1 factory. To construct a unit, click on the appropriate factory and then left-click on the unit icon to begin construction. Shift-click will order 5 of those units to be built, while Alt-click will order 500. As you order units to be built, they are added to the unit build queue at the bottom. If you have alternate unit build orders, the queue will reflect those orders. You can add 2 units in the queue by left-clicking on the appropriate unit icon in the build queue. Similarly, you can remove units from the build queue by right-clicking on the icon in the queue. You can stop all building and remove all units from the queue with the Stop command. Building structures with your ACU or engineer works in a similar fashion, but you must designate where the structures should be built. Press Shift to build multiple buildings. You can remove structures from your ACU or engineer's build queue, but you can only add structures to the build queue by using the Shift key. This will add the new structure at the end of the build queue. Engineers and factories each have 4 levels: Tech 1, Tech 2, Tech 3, and a 4th specialty or experimental level. Here we have a Tech 1, 2, and 3 factory, and a Tech 1, 2, and 3 engineer. By default, the unit build options that are displayed reflect the tech level of the specific engineer or factory. But it is important to note that a Tech 3 engineer or factory can also produce Tech 1 and 2 units. You access the different tech levels using the selection icons at the left side of the Build Options interface. Your build queue can contain items from any tech level. A Tech 3 engineer can also access the Specialty Build section just below the Tech 3 icon. Your ACU has a specialty build menu of its own, which is covered in more detail in other archival entries.